All right, wanted to just do a quick video on how to unhook the camper when you get to your spot. First thing you want to do is use your chocks or a big rock or something. I'm facing kind of downhill, so I definitely want to put this front there. I always put it on the back too, just so it doesn't wiggle. Depend upon what you have as far as clearance wise. I use a couple pieces of wood, but whatever you like. Lower that. Disconnect my power. Always just kind of put it up in a way. Take my brake one off, a little connector there for it. Take my safety chains off. On the other side. I took the pin off there. Remember on the Winnebago it's a 2 5/16 ball. Pop this up. It'll sit right here. Look at lowering this. Because it's chalk, it should not roll maybe a ½ an inch or probably not even that. There it goes. You definitely want to do this before you get in the camper. You want to make sure it's level. And there are some levels on here, some bubble ones. Then I always move the tow vehicle. All nice and level. You always want to level with this. Take your impact. And they're stabilizers. And again, these are not meant to lift the camper, it's just to stabilize it. So you barely want it to hit the ground. Again, you're not lifting it, you're just stabilizing it. So we have our chocks in, we have our stabilizers down, put my impact away, push up, open this up, pull your step out, and now folks can get inside and you can do your slide. You hit your slide power. You hit out. There's 2 motors, one on each side. So you want to let this go all the way out, all the way in, and hold it for 3 seconds, 5 seconds to let the motor synchronize. And you don't want any weight on that bed. You don't want anybody sitting there. By holding it, you hear it. Now turn your power off. You have your bed here. You can flip it up. We'll flip up your love seat there. We're not connected to power, so you're not going to have any, this runs off 12 volt, but you're not going to have any AC until you either plug into an outlet like that, or you run your generators. For your fridge, just make sure it's on, and it'll automatically go from either electrical or to your propane. So I would just leave this on and auto, and it does get nice and cold. It takes a little bit. There we go. That always seems to shift while I'm moving around. And that's it. That's how you get this set up. And then obviously just do it in reverse when you're leaving. Put the stabilizers up first, hook up your tow vehicle second, and you're good to go.